In this video, we'll look at how to open an iSupport ticket as a representative. To start, open your web browser. Chrome is the recommended browser, but other browsers should work fine as well. And type in our iSupport address in the top, isupport.sgsu.edu. And click that top SGSU iSupport Representatives Login link. The iSupport Incidents Dashboard page appears. This is the default page that shows up when you open iSupport. To open a new ticket, click the green arrow on the bottom left and select Create Incident. The first thing you want to do is select your customer. Click the magnifying glass and type in your customer information to do a search. Remember, the more information that you type here, the more information you'll get. So it's best to be very specific and use as few fields as you need to find that customer. We recommend the email address, as those tend to be distinct. If I had typed in both Ryan and Campbell, I would have seen all the Ryans and all the Campbells. But you can search on any information in this field, including the phone number, location if it's entered, or SGSU ID if you see it below. I'll go ahead and select this customer. It says there's open incidents found for me and asks if I would like to view them. I'll say no, but notice below the customer you can see the ticket count for open, closed, suspended, and reopened tickets. You can select any of them to view the open or suspended or closed tickets for that customer. This can be helpful if you want to see if someone has already opened a ticket for this issue or if this kind of problem has been solved for this customer before. If you can't find the customer, you may need to add a new one. Click the magnifying glass, open the advanced search, and select this little icon here, Create New Customer, to enter that customer's information. First name, last name, phone, and email are recommended. But if they're an employee, you may want to enter the location and department as well. This can help network and phone services, for example, find this person on campus. Next, enter your status, opened, closed, or suspended. Closed, you could select if you just wanted to log that you'd solved this problem for a customer. Suspended might be if you needed to track this problem, but you couldn't work on it right now. For example, if you were waiting for a patch to be released. In most cases, you'll probably choose the open status. Next, select your priority. Low, medium, high, and emergency are the priorities. There are no official guidelines for priorities, but a good way to think about it is that low priority problems are those that need to be solved eventually, but for now they have a workaround. Medium priorities stop some level of work. High priorities stop all work for one person, and emergency priorities stop all work for a lot of people. Medium is the default priority. Next, choose your assignee. Like the customer field, this gives you more information the more you type in. If I wanted to assign a ticket to Leon Nguyen, notice he's in multiple groups as indicated by this little arrow here, so I have to choose the group that he's in. That will affect which group can see the ticket back in the incident dashboard, where tickets are arranged by group. I can enter a comment for Leon if I want. Next, I choose the category. If you know the specific category that this ticket should be, you can pick it. Otherwise, it's best to choose Other and let the assignee choose the category that is best for this ticket. Next, enter a detailed description of the problem. I've entered the description below, and I've included a lot of details. Configuration information, maybe screenshots, which you can include using this little image manager right here by inserting them directly into the description or uploading them. This will help in case someone needs to come back and look at this issue at a later date. Even if the person that I'm assigning this ticket to right now knows everything about the problem and can solve it right away without any help from me, that might not be true at a later date, or if this ticket needs to get assigned to someone else. For example, if Leon were out sick and someone else had to take over his work. On the Custom tab, there may be custom fields that I can fill out that would be relevant to this ticket. These change based on category. On the Others to Notify tab, I can add other people to contact about this issue as the ticket is being worked on. Any notifications that go out to the assignee or customer can go out to the Others to Notify as well. I can include other support representatives or other customers, and this can be helpful if I have multiple people working on this problem, or if I'm working on this problem for multiple people. Last, on the Attachments tab, I can click the Add button to browse the files on my computer and add them to the ticket. This could be logs or screenshots if I don't want to include them on the other page. Once I'm satisfied with the information in my ticket, I can click Save and Close, and my ticket has been saved. And that's how you log a ticket using iSupport.